Welcome to online English class. This is Ventures Level 1, lesson number 10, which starts on May 6th. This is part 1, so this is video number 1. There are 3 videos in every lesson. In this video, we're going to do the warm-up, we're going to practice measurements, and we're going to practice to be. Then, we're going to start Unit 8. So this is what we're doing today in this video. You are probably watching this video between May 6th and May 17th. This video was filmed on May 1st, 2020. So let's start the warm-up. The warm-up today is Friday. The date is May 1st. We don't say May 1, we say May 1st, 2020. So the month is May, the date is the 1st, and the year is 2020. The month is May, the date is the 1st, the year is 2020. Now let's move on to the weather. So like I said, today is Friday. Right now is 2 in the afternoon. This is the weather and temperature for Friday. So we see that the weather is sunny and the temperature is 71 degrees. The weather is sunny. The temperature is 71 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's just write F. F is easy. 71 degrees Fahrenheit. It feels cool because today is also very, very windy. So it's a little chilly in the wind. Yesterday, when we talk about yesterday, we're talking about the past. The past tense of the present tense of to be, we use is. The weather is sunny. If we're talking about yesterday, we use the past tense. The past tense was. Yesterday, the weather was cloudy. Tomorrow, when we're talking about tomorrow, we are talking about the future. Tomorrow, the weather will be. Let's look at the weather tomorrow. So today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday. Saturday, the weather will be sunny. The weather will be sunny. Let's talk about the temperature. Tomorrow, the temperature will be, we use will be because we're talking about the future, tomorrow. Tomorrow, the temperature will be, what's the temperature for tomorrow? The temperature for tomorrow is 81 degrees. Nice. Will be 81 degrees. Tomorrow, the temperature will be 81 degrees. All right, so let's start reviewing measurements. If you need this paper, let me show you how to get it again. It's on the website. So what you do is you go to my website. You go to the class website. You go to your class. And you go down, 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 down to week number 5, lesson 9. Week 5, lesson number 9. Look for the word measurements. Click on the word measurements. And here, you will have the paper. If you know how to print it out, you can print it out onto paper. If you don't know, you can just write everything here onto your paper. So, we have weight, length, and temperature is what we're practicing today. So let's start with weight. The units of weight are ounce, pound, and ton. If we want to know how heavy something is, we ask, how much does it weigh? How much does it weigh? Or we can ask, how many units is it? We can ask, how many ounces is it? Or how many pounds is it? Or how many tons is it? Or we can just ask the question, how heavy is it? How heavy is it? Or we can say, how much does it weigh? Or how many ounces, how many pounds, or how many tons is it? That's how we ask for the weight of something. Up next, we have the length. The length. The length, we ask, how long, or how tall, or how far is it? How long is it? How tall is it? Or how far is it? So we use long when we're talking about length. So we want to know how long this pen is. If we want to know how long this pen is, then we need to use a ruler. So let's see. This is a ruler. This ruler has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 inches. This ruler uses inches. So let's measure how long this pen is in inches. This pen is 5 inches long. It's upside down. This pen is 5 inches long. If we talk about how tall something is, so let's say I have a refrigerator. I have a fridge in my kitchen. I have a fridge in my kitchen. I want to know, how tall is it? How tall is the fridge? Well, if we measure a fridge, we want to use feet. So let's say the fridge is 6 feet and 4 inches tall. The fridge is 6 feet and 4 inches tall. And then we have, how far is it? How far is it? So we have my house, and we have the store. How far is the store? How far is the store? From my house to the store is 4 miles. So we say the store is 4 miles away. The store is 4 miles away. Okay. The units for length are inch. This is, this is 1 inch from here to here. This is 2 inches. This is 3 inches, and 4 inches, and 5 inches. This is an inch. 1 foot is 12 inches. 1 foot has 12 inches. So 1 foot goes all the way to here. Let me make it smaller. All the way to here. From here to here. Because this ruler only goes up to 9 inches. It's a small ruler. 1 foot is from here to here, about. It's 12 inches. Now we have yard. 1 yard has 3 feet. So this is 1 foot long. 1 yard has 3 of these papers. And then we have the mile. We use a mile for measuring distance, for measuring things that are far away. 1 mile has this many feet. This number is not important. But you need to know that a mile is long. A mile is really big. Okie dokie, we have the word dimension. These 3 words are dimensions. The dimensions are the size. So if I have a box here, I want to know the dimensions of the box. I want to know the length, the width, and the height of the box. The length, the width, the height are the dimensions. Dimension. Dimension. All right. So the dimensions are the length, the width, and the height of an object. And then we have the distance. The distance is how far away 2 things are from each other. We usually use feet or miles to say the distance. And finally, we have temperature. In the US, we use degrees Fahrenheit, degrees F here. You don't need to write this word, you just need to write F. So, at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, water freezes to ice. From 97 to 98 degrees Fahrenheit is normal body temperature. The tools we use for measuring temperature is called a thermometer. So let me help you pronounce this word, Fahrenheit. 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 This is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So I said today the temperature is, I don't know, 70 degrees Fahrenheit maybe? All right, now we're going to talk about to be. To be, we have I am. We have you, are, he, or she, or it is, we are, and they are. This is in the present tense. So this means now. Right now, I am. It's not yesterday, it's not tomorrow, it's today. The present is today, right now. I am. So, In Unit 8, we're going to talk about jobs. So the question, what is your job? Or the question, what do you do for work? These two questions are the same. What is your job and what do you do for work? It's the same question. So how do we answer this question? We say, I am a, and then you write your job. So for me, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Or we say, I am a nurse. I am a doctor. I am a construction worker. We say, I am a. Now, if we say, what is his job? What is his job? Then we say he, because we're talking about his. So we use he. And with he, to be, we use is. So we say he is a, and then you write the job name. If the question is, what is her job? What is her job? Then what do we say? We say she. Her is with she. And with she, we use is. She is a, and then you say the job. So again, if we say what is their job, what is their job? Then the answer is they. With they, we use are. They are. Okay, so let's say, what is his job? He is a construction worker. He is a construction worker. What is her job? She is a doctor. She is a doctor. But here we have they. We're talking about more than one person. We're talking about 2, 3, or 4. So let's use doctor again. What is their job? They are doctors. This is different from this. Okay, so I, he, and she. I, he, and she, we are talking about one person. Only one person. I, he, and she, one person. I am a teacher. When we talk about one person, we write a. We say a before the job. We say I am a, he is a, she is a. And after the word, after the job, there's no S here. There's no S. We just say teacher, or construction worker, or doctor. But when we talk about they, we're talking about 2 or more people. We're talking about a lot of people. So we do not say a. We say they are doctors. They are doctors. Because we are talking about more than one person, we say doctors with an S at the end. Here, we're talking about one person, she. So we say she is a doctor. We use a here, and there's no S at the end. But here we're saying what is their job. This is 2 or more people. So we say they are. We do not use a here, but we have s at the end of the word doctor. So we say they are doctors. So I want you to answer this question. What is our job? What is our job? And our job is cook. A cook is someone who makes food in a restaurant. So what is the answer? What is our job? We say we are cooks. Our is with we. Our is for we. With we know there's 2 or more people. There's me and there's you. So there's 2. Maybe there's 4 people. We say we. With we have are. We are. And then because this is more than 2 people, we do not have a. There's no a here. There's no a in this sentence because we're using we are. But we add s to the end of the word cook because there's more than one. So we say we are cooks.